As many people looking for natural health treatments, one of the most frequently asked questions is, what are the health benefits of black seed oil? Well, in this video, I'm excited to share with you the top 6 amazing health benefits of black seed oil. But before we get started, what is black seed oil? Well, black seed oil, also known as black cumin seed oil, comes from the seeds of Nigella sativa, a plant that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. And here's the thing, this powerful oil has a special place in natural medicine because of its impressive health benefits. DrJedosaThePharmD here, welcome and please like and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Boost immune system. Our immune system is our body's natural defense against harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Keeping it in top shape is crucial for staying healthy and feeling your best. And this is where black seed oil can help. You see, black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and has immune-enhancing properties. It helps to strengthen the body's defense mechanism, making it more effective at fighting infections and diseases. One of the most powerful compounds in black seed oil is thymoquinone. Studies have shown that thymoquinone can help fighting off bacteria and viruses, giving your immune system a much-needed hand in warding off infections. Now, the question is, how do I incorporate black seed oil into my daily routine? Well, you can take it in its pure oil form, add it into your smoothies, or even find it in capsules if you do not like the taste. Number 2. Reduces inflammation. This natural oil has potent anti-inflammatory effects which can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. This makes it especially beneficial for inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Now, for those suffering from arthritis, black seed oil can be particularly helpful. Its anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate joint pain and improve mobility. It is also beneficial for other inflammatory conditions like asthma and various skin conditions, providing relief and improving quality of life. And here's the deal. Research has shown that black seed oil's active compound, thymoquinone, can significantly reduce inflammation in the body. In fact, many users have reported a decrease in inflammation and pain after adding black seed oil to their daily routine. Number 3. Improve liver health. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body that works non-stop to detoxify our system. And guess what? Black seed oil can help protect your liver from damage caused by toxins and medications. Plus, it promotes the regeneration of liver cells, which helps keep your liver healthy and happy. You see, natural compounds in black seed oil have been shown to help prevent liver damage and improve liver health in those who use it regularly, meaning it can potentially reduce the risk of liver disease and improve liver function. But that's not all. Black seed oil also supports liver health by promoting a healthy inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation can lead to various liver conditions, including fatty liver disease. So, if you're looking to boost your liver health, black seed oil is worth considering. Number 4. Improves skin conditions. Most of us want glowing skin, but often we do not know how. Well, I'm here to tell you that black seed oil can be a game changer. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to reduce redness and swelling caused by various skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis, while its antibacterial properties fight off acne-causing bacteria. Just mix a few drops with your regular moisturizer, apply it to the affected areas before bed, and watch your skin get rejuvenated and smooth. And let's not forget about aging. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, B, and C, which can help to fight off free radicals that can cause premature aging. Number 5. Improves breathing problems. This miracle oil has been shown to help manage asthma and bronchitis effectively. How, you may ask? Well, it contains antihistamine properties that can significantly improve your respiratory function and making it easier to breathe freely. Imagine being able to breathe deeply without that tightness or wheezing. You see, black seed oil helps reduce inflammation in the airways, which is a game changer for anyone dealing with chronic respiratory issues. On top of that, it helps in clearing mucus, allowing your lungs to function more efficiently. And here's the best part. Many users have reported significant improvements in their breathing after using black seed oil regularly. Number 6. Heart health benefit. Now, taking black seed oil regularly can do wonders for your heart. It has some amazing benefits, from lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure to reducing the risk of heart disease. You see, one of the standout benefits of black seed oil is its ability to help lower cholesterol levels, meaning it reduces the bad LDL cholesterol while boosting the good HDL cholesterol, keeping your arteries clear and your heart pumping efficiently. In addition, it also helps reduce blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Now, as we wrap up this video, I would like to highlight a few more health benefits of black seed oil. And this includes, it can help in wound healing, get rid of acne, help control blood sugar levels, and even stimulate hair growth. And there you have it. Remember, knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching.